This week we are taking a look at the SENBOWE M28 TWS Earbuds that have previously been included in a TEMU earphone haul video. Now they retail at £5.62, it's a little over that £5 mark, but again we got these for £2.50. And I've got to say, with the charge case, what in the world of built up shoe is this? This is massive, the case is huge. It does look completely out of place when it's in your pocket. And it comes with a warped mirror to the top of the lid for you ladies to check your makeup. Although you're going to look totally weird in it. It actually is transparent though, so yes, you can view that internal digital display. It has that same slogan that we've seen on the newest M19 charge case, be loud, be proud, with a centralised remaining charge case battery percentage level and the left and right earphone indicators that don't really show the earphone charging levels though. Just like the X15s, we do get these illuminating snake eyes to the front that again do light up when the charge case is being charged via the Type-C charge cable that is supplied. It takes just 1 hour 26 minutes to fully charge it, and it will supply 4 full recharges of the M28 earphones while on the go. So yes, we've got a Type-C charge port to the left hand side of the case, and yep, we've also got a Type-A port. Once again though, the charge case, it rapidly decreases and you hardly get any type of percentage when you plug your phone into this particular charge case. So yeah, advertising as a power bank, if it's there as a function to boost your phone on the go, it doesn't really do a good job about doing it, it's rubbish. And you know what, I knew this because the charge case, it's severely light. Now looking at the earphones, they do actually come with medium-sized ear tips already fitted. Nope, we've got no extra ones included, that's tight. But we do get a Type-C charge cable, a very crappy instruction manual. But as you can see here, on the earphones themselves, we've got those same snake eyes that we've seen on those previously reviewed GT1s. Now those earphones were actually spectacular compared to these. These ones today, the M28s, have an open back design, but when it comes to the fitment, I would say they're not too bad. Over the past week, I have experienced just a few drops while moving around rapidly at work. But I would say though that they are comfortable for up to 3 hours use. Nope, they don't have passive noise isolation, no ANC, and yes, they do have those long stems, but I must admit they're not too intrusive. But audio, well, it's just below average I would say. The bass is a little low, very mild, not very impactful, and again the treble is not very strong, with no real oomph. The mids however are quite spot on. So for example, when playing some strong ballads, the main vocalist is nice and upfront, but there is noticeably some sibilance and deviation of the audio to that left-hand driver unit. But if we quickly look at the touch controls, these are absolutely spot on guys. They have all of our preferred touch control setup, so we have 1 press for play, pause, call, answering, 2 presses on the right earphone for the next track, 2 presses on the left earphone for the previous track selections. We've got the volume up in the correct places, so we've got 3 taps on the right earphone for the volume up, 3 taps on the left earphone for the volume down, and we've got a quick 2-second hold for the voice assist option.
What do you call a muddy chicken that crosses the road twice? A dirty double crosser.
But I would say that they are, however, oversensitive. So when you do adjust them, when they're in your ears, they will trigger certain touch controls, such as the voice assist option. That does become quite annoying, especially if you're working with these earphones in. Now the usage time, we got 3 hours, 12 minutes use. The charge case boosted those earphones though within 48 minutes. That's quite fast, I must admit. It's actually the fastest out of the 6 earphones we've tested. But if we rate these earphones real quickly, again, with design, I'm not overjoyous about the look. I just think that the earphones and case do have quite a bulky design, and I gave them a 3 out of 10 for design. Functionality almost perfect, those controls are spot on, they're just a bit oversensitive, so we gave them a 7 out of 10. The audio, not great but not bad, we gave them a 5 out of 10. The mic quality, oh god, I mean, this was almost the worst.
Why am I not surprised? The microphones, once again, not very good. My voice sounds muffled, as you can tell on this video. That's the same when making any type of voice calls. My voice from the opposite end of a call sounds very tinny. And with this video, you might be able to see that there is a sync issue. So there's about 300 milliseconds of latency. So the microphones with these earphones, not very good.
We gave them 2 out of 10, with the usage time coming in at 7 out of 10, and that's because with that charge case, it did supply us with 12 hours plus of music listening while on the go, again with that charge case. With our overall score for the SENBOWE M28 earphones coming in with a reasonable 8 out of 10. Now if you want to check out the M28s for yourself, I've left the TEMU link in the video description down below. Nope, I'm not affiliated in any type of way. But while you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video. Please subscribe, making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now it's been fascinating doing a lot of earphone reviews this week, and I hope you guys stick around for our very next video. Speaking of videos, if you want to go ahead and watch one of our previous ones, there's one showing on screen just here just now, or if you wait a moment. What about this one here? Go on, give it a watch. But if you haven't, doesn't really matter, stick around for our very next one. In a bit. Peace.